In this video, I'll show you how you can launch any Steam game as an administrator. Now this is really simple, guys, so let me show you how to do it. Now let's just choose Counter-Strike 2 as an example. You want to right click on it, manage and browse local files. Now in here you'll come to the Counter-Strike folder, and sometimes you have to search a little bit, but in here just go game, and usually it's under a bin folder. So bin, Windows 64, and in here you can see cs2.exe. You want to just right click on this, properties, compatibility, and activate run this program as an administrator. Press apply and press OK, and now when you launch it from in here it will be an administrator. Now for other games it's much more simple and you don't really have to look much, so let's try Terraria. Right click, manage, browse local files, and from in here you'll already be on the terraria.exe, so you can just right click on it, properties, compatibility, and activate it in here. Now like I said, for some games you have to search a little bit in the folders, but if you don't get directly to the launcher, usually it's under some sort of game and bin and then Windows 64 or Windows 32 if that's what you want. But for the most part you can simply go into the folder and just look all the folders through and see nothing in here, nothing in here, nothing in here, and then you can easily find it. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.